Welcome to Everyday Code. Today we begin with a brand new series on HTML for beginners. I hope you learn something new, um, HTML from scratch. This is all for beginners label, so this will help you begin your career in programming. So let's just start with HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a hybrid text markup language that helps you create a web page. So we're going to learn about the structures first. So how we code HTML is that we begin with this line here. So this code, doc type HTML. That's really important in HTML. That tells that the new version, which is HTML5. So whenever we start with HTML, we start with HTML and then we open it here, and then we closed it here. Then we have a head. Head is like a title, like the top of the page. And then we have a metadata, which is like the web page unit set. And then we have a title inside the header, and whenever we're opening, we're closing here. And then after we finish with the head, then we have the body, which is like the main body of HTML. So, and then inside of that, for now, we have image, which is img. So whenever we open image tag like this, you don't have to close it. You close it with this greater than sign. It's a bit different than other elements. So this is called elements all here. So it's very exciting to learn about HTML. So once we learn HTML, then we're gonna go to learning CSS and also I have this YouTube channel. I also have other videos like JavaScript, Angular, and React already in this playlist. So let's continue learning about this. Once we learn the structure, then we're gonna learn about how we're gonna be creating the text. So for now, we're using Scrimba, which is like a website where you can code your HTML. So this text editor is gonna be just using HTML. Unlike this part we learned here, as we're starting with doc type HTML, we don't have to do that. So okay, we have HTML header. We can name it welcome. Then inside the body here, then we have h1, which is like a header type. So whenever we opening, remember h1, we have to close it here by this / here. So HTML So now we can run it. Then we see this welcome sign, and then we have HTML5 is great. So that tells us that this is just H1. So we have 6 kind of header. We can take a look. The other one is H2. So we can just put opening and closing. H3, H4, H5, H6, That's all. So over here we can write something like so this is like header means like a bigger size of font, so it's getting much smaller when you get down to the A6. Let's see, let's just put 2 here, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now you can run it. As you can see, text header H1 is getting smaller when you use header 2, header 3, header 4, header 5, header 6. There's other types of text we can add here. We can add like P, which is for paragraph. Okay, so we can just put this text here. Over here and right in the middle. So this is like a paragraph. We can just type in inside this P tag, and then we can just run it, and there you have it here. So you can run your code by using this small browser here. Well, that's all I have for you. Check out the next video. We learn more about HTML coming up. Thank you.